I bet you're wondering why I have a blow dryer outside. I'm going to show you in just a second, but real quick here, I'm going to show you how this works. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this absolutely gorgeous metallic pink hair dryer. It has the condensed nozzle that makes it dry your hair really fast. It also has this. This is great for like curly hair and things like that. I'm going to turn it on real quick and show you guys. So that is the medium setting. This is how you change it. So this changes the temperature. That's the hottest setting. There's a medium setting, then there's a cool setting, and then there's a no heat setting. So that is like the coolest with no heat, of course. Then this button changes the speed. So that's medium, that's low. You can kind of hear how loud it is. It's not very loud at all. So low, medium, high. But what I wanted to show you guys, I'll shut it off here for a second. This, because it has a setting with no heat, can be used to blow dry a dog. Eleanor was in the pool today. Let's see how it works on her. You can kind of see here, Eleanor is still pretty damp. Hi, Elle. How you doing? From being in the pool earlier. And sometimes I don't want to bring out the big blower, and sometimes it's just this little bit of dampness. So a hair dryer is actually perfect for this. So let's see if we can do this. What do you think of that? Can I get you dry? You don't care at all, do you? You're like, oh, this feels great. Look at that, you see it moving her fur around? Oh my goodness. Look at how floofy it's making you. So it makes you less frizzy? She's like, I would totally be frizzy. I don't care. Oh my goodness. That works really good, actually. If you can't tell by my hair, I was also in the pool today. This totally can be used on people as well. You can use it to dry your own hair, which is nice. It's really lightweight. This, I think, is going to make it into our RV, so I can use it to dry my hair, but I can also use it to dry the dogs when they go swimming. So let's get Eleanor and test this out. So of course, this isn't as powerful as my dog grooming blower, but this is moving air, man. This is drying her. It's making her loose fur come out. This is actually working pretty good. What do you think, Elle? She's like, oh, do right here, Ma. Oh, that's my favorite spot. Right there. My favorite this spot. Yeah? Is that your favorite spot? Can I see you? Oh my goodness. Is that good stuff? What do you think? Do you approve of this blow dryer? Yeah, I think. Let's see if we can get it to. Look at all the fur, it's loosening. Oh my goodness, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is making the fur fly. I think we approve of this blow dryer.